Hello students, how are you? Yesterday we have started chapter 3, how to solve the pair of linear equation by substitution method. Now today we are taking another method, elimination method. Hear this, how to solve the pair of linear equation in two variables by elimination method. So what is elimination method? Means it is clear from the name also. You have to eliminate one of these two variables first. You have to eliminate either x or y. Clear this? So first of all, this is either x or y. It means by equating the coefficients of x equal. Clear this? You make the coefficient of x equal. Just like first equation, I am taking this by example. 1x plus 1y is equal to 5. This is first equation. Earlier it was x plus y is equal to 5. You know coefficient. Coefficient of x is 1. Second equation, 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. This is second equation. So now, what I have told, elimination method means to make the coefficient of x equal. Here it is 1, it is 2. So what you will do? Multiply this equation by 2. If I multiply by 2, so 2 and 2x, you see, 2x, coefficients are equal. So this is the method, very easy method. And this one, 1 multiply 1. Or sometimes those who don't know, in V section we say multiply, this multiply 2, this multiply 1. A simple method is this. Clear this? So now multiply by 2, 2x plus 2y is equal to 2 5s are 10. Multiply 1, 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Now 2x, it will cancel. When cancel? When you will subtract. So you can write here by subtracting. Because you are subtracting, you are changing the sign. Then 2 plus 3, 5y, 10 minus 4, 6, y is equal to 6 by 5. This is the one value of y we have got by elimination method. Now, if you have got one value of y, now you can put in any one of the equation as you do in substitution method. So put y is equal to 6 by 5 in equation first. So you will get x plus 6 by 5 is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 minus 6 by 5. 5 LCM. 5 into 5, 25 minus 6, 19 by 5. So x is equal to 19 by 5. So my dear students, it is the most important and easy method. Clear this? It is easy method than the substitution method also. Clear this? So whenever the words problem are there, you will make the two equation. Then better you will solve these two equation by elimination method, because it takes less time as comparison to the substitution method. Clear this? So if you solve by substitution method, you will also get the same answer. Answer will come same. Answer will not change. Understand? So I think it is clear. You make the coefficient of x equal. When you are making equal, then subtracting, this is cancel, this is eliminate. So that this method is called elimination method. So one more question, one more words problem I am taking. So in words problem, I will explain this method again. Just you see second question you see, second question, second part I am telling you. You see here, 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu, and 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Noori and Sonu? So this second question, second part, of oxide 3.4. So 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. So how old are Nuri and Sonu? So let present age of Nuri, that is X years. Let present age of Sonu Y years. So according to question, what is saying in case first 5 years ago. So 5 years ago, age of Nuri. If your age is 20 years, then 5 years ago 20 minus 5, 15. Now age is Nuri age is X, then 5 years ago. So X minus 5 years. So age of Sonu, it will be Y minus 5 years. So therefore, what is saying? Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. Nuri was thrice. Nuri age X minus 5 is thrice, 3 times the age of this. So X minus 5, 3Y minus 15. Shift here. X minus 3Y minus 15 plus 5. X minus 3Y is equal to minus 10. This is the first equation. Clear this? Now another case second, what is saying? 10 years later. 10 years later means after 10 years. After 10 years, what is age of Sonu? Very simple. X plus 10 years. Age of Nuri. No, it is a age of Nuri. Sonu Y plus 10. Or age of Nuri. Because Nuri age here suppose X. And this is X plus 10. Sonu age here suppose Y. So after 10 years, Sonu age is Y plus 10 years. So now, according to question, what you will say? You see it? What is saying? After 10 years, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. So according to question, after 10 years, Nuri age X plus 10, it will be twice as age of Sonu. Clear this? Nuri age will be twice. Nuri age will be twice means you will not take 2 with the Nuri. Clear this? If my age is double of, my age is 40, your age is 20. Clear this? If my age is 40, your age is 20. If I am saying I am double of you, so I will not take 2 with this. I will take with the 2 with this. To balance the equation, I will take double with the front term. So Nuri age is twice the age of Sonu. Then I will take 2 with the age of Sonu to balance the equation. Understand? So now simplify 2y plus 20. This is a problem. Sometimes you are making the equation and it is wrong. Why wrong? Because in hurry, because you are saying then Nuri is double, then you are taking 2 with this. Then equation wrong equation, the wrong answer will come. So x minus 2y is equal to 20 minus 10. So x minus 2y is equal to 10. This is the second equation. So what do you say? First equation is x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. And second equation is x minus 2y is equal to 10. This is second equation. Now we have to solve by elimination method, because it is told when you solve words problem, elimination method is a very easy method. Because if you take substitute method, you take the value of x, then you put here, then y value will come. But here when you solve by elimination method, you see here coefficient of x are already equal. Clear this? Coefficient of x are already equal, then direct you subtract. So you can write here by subtracting. Because by subtracting this cancel, minus 3 plus 2 minus y minus 20, this cancel. So y is equal to 20. Put in equation first. First equation is x minus 3 into 20 minus 10 minus 60 minus 10. Shift here, 60 minus 10, 50. Hear this? What do you say? So therefore answer you write in proper form. So therefore present age of Nouri, it was x. So it is 50 years. And then present age of Sonu, that is y, you have supposed. So it is 20. Then you can say 20 years. So my dear students, today we have learned how to solve the pair of linear equation by elimination method, or second, with words problem given, statement sums are given. First you make the equation, two equation you will get. Clear this? Then you have to solve by elimination method. It is very much easy method as comparison to the substitution method. Now one more question we will take from this exercise 3.4, that is second question, fifth part. What is the statement? 1 minute you read. A lending library has a fixed charges for first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Clear this? And Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days, while Sasi paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charges and the charges for each extra days. Clear? So as you go in library in your school, if rent is there, then he is saying for first 3 days fixed charges are there, and then if you keep more days, then per day charges will be extra. So 3 days extra, 3 days fixed charges are there. So you can suppose in the starting, let fixed charges for first 3 days, that is rupees x. So let, next is let charges for each extra day. Let charges for each extra day means first 3 days x rupees fixed, and then after 3 days per day rupees y charges will be applied. So my dear students, what is saying? You see, according to question, what is saying? One has paid, Sarita has paid 27 rupees for 7 days. For 7 days. For 7 days she has paid, that is 27 rupees. So my dear students, for first 3 days, x rupees fixed. How many days left? 4 days left. Then per day y rupees. So for 3 days x, and then how many days left? 4 days left. So 4 per day y rupees. So then x plus 4y is equal to 27. This is the first equation, and second equation also. While Sasi paid 21 for 5 days. So very simple. 5 days 21 rupees. So my dear students, if for 3 days x rupees, and how many days left? 2 days y rupees. Per day, clear this, y rupees. So for first 3 days x rupees fixed. Now 2 days left, per day y rupees. Then total she will pay x plus 2y is equal to 27. 21 rupees. This is the second equation. Clear this? So very simple. This is for 3 days and plus 2 days, 3 plus 2, 5 days, 21 rupees. This is for 3 days, for 7 rupees, 7 day charges, 27. Very simple. So now these are two equations. X plus 4y is equal to 27, first equation. X plus 2y is equal to 21, second equation. Now what you will do? You solve by elimination method. You see 1x, coefficient is same. Then subtract. So cancel. So 2y, 27 minus 21, 26. Only 6 is here. 6 by 2. So y is equal to 3. So what you say? Put value of y either in first equation or in second equation. So if I will take put y is equal to 3 in equation first. So x plus 4y, 4 3 are 12, 27, 4 3 are 12. So this is 27. So x is equal to shift this. 27 minus 12, x is equal to 15. So value of x or y you got, but write the answer in proper form. So therefore, fixed charges for 3 days, first 3 days, that is rupees x, that is rupees 50. So charges per day extra, value y, that is rupees 3. Clear this? So my dear students, in this way, very simple, fixed charges sums. So many types are there in your book. So you have to revise this words problem, these concepts. Fixed charges and then charges per day extra. So you have to revise this 3.4 complete with every question, with every part. There will be no problem if you revise seriously. Thank you. Very good.